The Distinguished Service Award is ACPE's highest recognition bestowed upon members providing exemplary service to the association. Established in 1980, the award honors outstanding service and demonstrated leadership in ACPE. We're delighted to honor ACPE Certified Educator Sally A. Schwab as the recipient of the 2021 Distinguished Service Award. Sally was born in 1956 into a blue-collar, working-class family in a small town south of St. Louis, Missouri. As the fourth child of 5 children, she was baptized into the Grace Presbyterian Church. She loved music, singing in choirs, and playing in the band. And in her senior year of high school, she was chosen to be the drum majorette. In those years, her activities included music, drama, debate, scouting, and church activities. In her sophomore year of high school, she experienced her first faith crisis, centered around issues of how persons experience their faith. She chose to leave the Presbyterian Church and join the United Methodist Church, a choice that disappointed her parents. Sally went on to attend college at Central Methodist College because of the excellent music program. She majored in elementary education and music education and felt called into professional ministry. In the summers, she worked for the Creative Ministries program. In her senior year, she took her first appointment with the United Methodist Church and became an associate pastor at the Sheridan County Larger Parish, which included 5 rural churches in north central Missouri. After college, she entered seminary at St. Paul's School of Theology. She served as president of the student body in her 3rd year and graduated with honors, where she received an award for being the one most likely to succeed in parish ministry. She received deacon's orders in the United Methodist Church in 1979 and elder's orders in 1982. After seminary, she was appointed to the Northmore United Methodist Church and received the honor of being the first woman appointed to a single-point charge in the North Kansas City area. While she served at the Northmore United Methodist Church, she discerned a call to the vocation of chaplaincy. She completed a residency at Baptist Medical Center in Kansas City, received her credentials as a professional chaplain from the Association of Chaplains in 1991, and became a fully credentialed ACPE certified educator in 1988. In 1987, she was endorsed by the Division of Chaplains of the United Methodist Church. She was hired at the Veterans Administration Medical Center in Kansas City in 1986 and relocated to Mosaic Life Care Medical Center in 1989, where she has served for over 3 decades. In her 31-year tenure at Mosaic Life Care Medical Center, Sally has achieved many accolades. She was selected as a fellow in the Healthy Communities Partnership and received a grant from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation that upstarted the Faith in Action program in her community. Sally also championed the End-of-Life Care Initiative, created the Palliative Care Consultation Program, and served as ACPE's board chair from 2010 to 2011. More recently, she led an initiative to create the 4U team for peer-to-peer collegial support in the clinical environment. Throughout her tenure, she has served as the Director for Spiritual Health. Prior to that, she served as the Director of the Hospice Program for 11 years. Sally has been active in the leadership of the Ethics Program, which has led to participation in advanced care planning, palliative care, and the creation of legislation that led to the Outside of the Hospital DNR order in Missouri in 2009. She is a leader in the Organ and Tissue Program, and in 2019 presented a best practice model for creating celebrations of life events. Currently, she also serves as a consultant for Truman Medical Center's chaplaincy program. Within ACPE, Sally has always been involved in the service of the association. She has served on regional certification and accreditation committees and has planned multiple regional and national meetings. She served on the Board of Representatives for 15 years and was a part of the creation of the Foundation for Clinical Pastoral Education, where she has consistently donated to support the work of the association. And in 2020, Sally completed her 6-year term of service as a FCPE board member. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in celebrating Sally A. Schwab as ACPE's 2021 Distinguished Service Award honoree.